Well, it certainly has been a while since we have seen an extended period of dry weather across the tri-state. So I went back and looked at the numbers. And when was the last time we saw 5 or more rain-free days? Well, you got to go back about a month or so. Middle of July, the 11th through the 15th, we had no measurable precipitation. And we are definitely looking at that in the face yet again as we go through this upcoming week. You see our days with thunderstorms here? None. Zero. Diddly for the most part. A nice dry but warm stretch, especially early in the week. It's going to be hot and humid because we're watching our heat dome here over the Four Corners region, that northern branch of the jet stream well to our north, keeping that comfortable, less humid air basically north of Interstate 90. This will be moving in our direction over the next 24 hours or so, and that'll be pumping in that warm and humid air. So the first half of the week looks to be hot and humid before a cold front swings through and starts to cool us down a little bit. Could see a little bit of patchy morning fog this morning. Otherwise nice and quiet, lots of sunshine, temperatures mid to upper 80s across the tri-state. Just an absolutely quiet day across the entire area with little if any sunshine, or little if any cloud cover, I should say. You can see the rotation of the winds here. It's because that high pressure is pretty much parked right on top of us, and it's going to keep things very quiet. Really not even seeing much in the way of cloud cover because of that sinking air from that high pressure. That prohibits really any air from rising, and when air rises it cools and condenses and forms clouds. We're not even going to see that here, and even by tomorrow morning waking up nice and quiet with temperatures for the most part in the 70s. So we're going to call it mostly sunny, if not completely sunny today, right around 90 degrees depending on your exact location, and that's pretty average for this time of the year for August 4th. 90, 91 for the most part. Warm and humid tonight, upper 60s and lower 70s. You'll definitely notice that mugginess, but look at the extended forecast. I mean, really nothing to worry about. Now, Monday and Tuesday, we do expect heat indices, what it feels like to be above 100 degrees, but not looking at excessive heat. Once that front crosses Tuesday, early Wednesday for the most part, it will start to cool us down a little bit, but it will take some time for that cooler air to make its way into the tri-state. So those temperatures really won't start to cool down until the latter part of the upcoming week.